microfinance savings loans egu ye de ka nyama ne hunu na aba aban so na free sa aban betena akonwa so in fact a free 2015 kura na aban ya so obekono a besi ne aban bo ne homoden na empedifo ayenhye a wo mu tia 6.4 billion de amasa nkofo ni nyina.
Out of a total claims worth approximately 6.4 billion that was received at the close of the extended deadline for the submission of claims for these organizations, 347 microfinance companies, 39 microcredit companies, 23 savings and loans, and finance house companies, legitimate claims admitted for processing and payment after validation was in the region of 5.66 billion Ghana cedis. Approximate 740 million cedis difference between the total claims received and the value of the legitimate claims admitted for processing and payment was due largely to two main reasons. One, invalid claims which were rejected, and two, set-offs and cross-lending, that is, some depositors who had either taken loans from some of these same entities or had in their custody placements from some of these resolved companies. So when you net that off, in addition to those that were invalid, you will get a difference of 740 million. So what they have validated to pay is 5.66 billion Ghana cedis. Now, based on those validations, the receiver, an official liquidator, has commenced work on some 5.32 billion, leaving an amount of 340 million that is going through the very final processes of second-level checks. Payments made to date. Depositor payments are made in two forms, that is in cash and by way of zero-coupon rated bonds. To date, approximately 2.11 billion has been paid in cash, while about 2.95 billion has been paid in bonds, bringing total payment to 5.06 billion. Now, based on total cash payments to be made by the end of the depositor payment exercise, it is expected that a population of individual depositors numbering about 297,000 whose claims have been validated and accepted in the resolution of the aforementioned groups of companies, and ultimately not less than 290,000, that's about 98% in number of individual claims, will be fully paid in cash. The remaining 2% of individual depositor claims will be paid by a combination of cash and bonds. So here are the next steps on the payments. They are first of all concluding the depositor payment process, and the key next steps to be undertaken are as follows. They want to conclude the final second-level validation of that 340 million and make payments accordingly. They expect that by the end of May, they should be done with that one. There are some of the organizations whose books and records still have challenges, and they are processing those for some further investigations. And then finally, they will issue a report to the Bank of Ghana on the depositor payment scheme.